Hello guys, it's me Nini and I'm back for a new tutorial, and today I have the help of my beautiful Sophie. So today we're doing a tutorial on Chris Brown, right? What's the Rush? But the dance is made by Justin Nilosan. So shout out to Justin for this beautiful, wonderful dance that we're gonna learn today. It's very simple and we'll take it slow from the top, okay? By the way, this is the my right hand and this is my left hand. Alright, Sophie, let's do this, okay? So slow. First you're going out with your right leg, coming in and collect. Your hand is doing this movement. Boom, 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 and collect. Finger is tapping here on the top 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Let's try to do this at the same time. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3. But the count goes like 1 and 2. Okay, slower. 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2. From here, we're taking out our left leg to do a groove with our hands going up like this. Up and down. Groove it, groove it, groove it, groove it. So it's gonna go 3 and 4. Okay, from the top. 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Yes. From here, we're going out with our fingers like dusty, 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 and then we say no, no. Yes, again. Boop, 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 boop. No and no. Yeah. At the same time, we keep this groove going on. So 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Notice that we went out with the right going 7 and 8, but we say no and oh. Yes. From the top again. 5, 6, 7 and 8. Go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. One more time. 6, 7 and 8. Go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Go. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Alright, let's move on. From here I'm gonna go right, left. Yes, a little ball change going right, left, and then collect. Again, 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and 2. Yes, hands are rolling like this. Roll and clap. Again, 6, 7 and 8 and roll and clap. One more time, slower. 7 and 8 and 1 and 2. Yes, after this, I'm gonna go out on the right to do a groove. Bam, bam. Hands are going like this. There, there. Again, 7 and 8. Go there, there. Let's try again from the roll. Slow. 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. On 4, you step back with your right and dive with your head. So 4. Okay, again from the roll. 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Yes, clap on 5 and step with your left. 5. And then here, just the last part, you roll your hands. Bodo, bodo, pam, click, from. Yes. So let's take it from here. No, maybe from the ball.
Yeah.
7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8. Yes, that's it. You did it. Let's try the whole thing from the top slowly. 5, 6, 7 and 8 goes 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7. Yeah, I almost stay here for too long. Okay? Maybe a little bit faster. Let's do one a little bit faster for the tempo. 5, 6, 7 and 8, go 1 and 2, go 3 and 4, 5 and 6, go 7 and 8, oh 1 and 2, oh 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8.